Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel. It's Anshika this side, and today in this video we are going to talk about what are the tips and tricks and everything that I followed to score 95 marks in maths class 10 boards. I have scored 95 marks in maths class 10 boards, and I in this video I want to tell you all the things that I did and all the things that I did not that missed the chance to score a perfect 100, and I just don't want you to don't repeat that and repeat the things that is useful for you so that you can score a 95 plus and 99 or even a perfect 100. So let's get straight into the video without any further ado. Number one thing that we are going to talk about is books. What are the books? What are the resources that we need in order to score a perfect 100 or 95 plus in maths? Number one, that every topper, everyone has told you millions of time, that is NCERT. NCERT is going to be your best friend for your whole class 10 journey, and this is a book which cannot be ignored at any cost, even if it's a subject like maths. But NCERT alone is not enough. We know that because हर साल हम देखते हैं कि ट्रेंड बदल रहा होता है और क्वेश्चंस और टफ होते चले जाते हैं, राइट? सो to deal with the competency based question, we need some other resource along with NCERT also. It could be a standard book or some question banks, whatever you like, but you need a second resource along with NCERT for your maths preparation to make it more smoother. And yes, now moving forward to the next second thing, that is YouTube channels. Which YouTube channel should you follow? I would advise to go for Nexa classes. It's very great for maths. And the second channel would be Ashish sir. He's great, like he teaches very nice. The third channel is PW, of course, वो तो सबको ही पता है, and you can definitely go for that. Also, how can I forget that Shobit Bhaiya? So you can definitely study from him. You can study from him also, right? He is such a fantastic teacher, and you can definitely study from him. नंबर थर्ड थिंग जो मैथ्स को डिफाइन करती है वो क्या होता है, उसके फॉर्मूलाज. सो फॉर्मूले सारे आपको बहुत अच्छे से आने चाहिए, आपके टिप्स भी होने चाहिए फॉर्मूले सारे, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री हो तो कोई भी चैप्टर हो, राइट? सो सारे फॉर्मूले आपको बहुत अच्छे से आने चाहिए. उसके लिए व्हाट यू कैन डू इज यू कैन मेक अ चार्ट और लाइक राइट ऑल द फॉर्मूलाज ऑफ योर क्लास 10th मैथ्स in one single sheet so that you can revise everything all at once, and it will help you eventually for revision purpose at the very end, right? So that is going to be a great thing. You can do that. Then the next thing is notes. कि क्या हमें नोट्स बनाने चाहिए मैथ्स में, या तो फिर क्या उसकी थ्योरी पढ़ना चाहिए, मेनली थ्योरी, राइट? We know that it is practical questions. Maths is all about questions and numericals. But should we read the theory for MCQ? Is it important or not, right? So yes, it is. You have to tackle all the MCQ and assertion reason type of questions. You have to read it, but just follow NCERT for that. And the second reference book that you would like to have, right? So you definitely need to go for that also. और जो मेन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विद द नेक्स्ट थिंग, दैट इज जो मेन चीज है मैथ्स के बारे में, दैट इज प्रैक्टिस प्रैक्टिस एंड प्रैक्टिस. प्रैक्टिस तो आपको बहुत करनी पड़ेगी मैथ्स में. नाउ द क्वेश्चन अराइजेस एज हाउ फ्रॉम वेयर शुड वी डू दिस प्रैक्टिस. Every topper says that you have to do a lot of practice, but how should we do that? What is the step, or how should we do that? So if you are looking for a perfect book for practice and polish your math skills, this one is a gem. So let me introduce you to the Oswal CBSE Textbook Plus for your maths board exam. This one is perfect book for practice. This book is designed as per the latest CBSE pattern and focuses heavily on competency based questions, which are now a major part of the board examination. This is the trend analysis given in this book. This is going to be very helpful for you all. Then we have the detailed syllabus, which is given in here. And then we have the whole syllabus, and then we have the latest CBSE board examination paper with solution for 2025, including all the patterns and everything that you need. It has all the other sources also, and now we have the chapters with a proper rewind and with mind maps also, and mnemonics given in here. Then we have the questions in level format, step by step learning. This book follows a structured level wise format. Level 1, level 2 includes all important question types, MCQs, assertion reasoning, case based question, very short, and long questions. CBSE question paper pattern followed. It has all the things. With Oswal, you don't just study, you prepare smartly to score higher, revise better, and manage time effectively in the real exam. This is the math standard book, and it is also available in the science textbook also. Like we have the CBSE textbook plus for science also. Both the books are really affordable. You can find it in the link below. I find it very helpful and I know it will be useful for you too. So go check it out from the link below. This book is going to be very helpful for you. It includes all the competency based questions, all the chapter wise practice sets with level 1, level 2 that will refine your knowledge of maths, detailed solutions for clarity, and the best part that it's super affordable. And if you want to purchase this book, then link is there in the description box. You can check it out, and yeah, that is great for you. So definitely purchase it from the link given below. Then the next thing is MCQ. How should we do the practice for MCQ कि हम सारे MCQ tackle कर सके और अगर tough भी आए board exam, because you know that मैथ्स का एग्जाम तो डेफिनेटली हर साल टफ ही आता है कंपैरेटिव टू ऑल अदर सब्जेक्ट. दिस इज द ओनली वे टू टैकल एमसीक्यू दैट यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट ऑफ एमसीक्यूज. यू हैव टू have a separate book, you have to have a question bank, so definitely go for that NCERT and a second question bank. That is all you need to tackle your maths examination to score a perfect 100 or a 99. Then the next thing and the most important thing is a mistakes notebook. जो भी गलतियां आप करें, अगर आप पीटी टेस्ट दे रहे हैं अपने या हाफ ईयरली या बाद में प्री बोर्ड देंगे या फिर कोई भी क्लास टेस्ट वगैरह, या टीचर ने कभी कोई क्वेश्चन सोल्व करवाया आपसे नहीं वो क्वेश्चन सोल्व हुआ, तो आप उसको एक सेपरेट नोटबुक में लिखोगे. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी योर मिस्टेक नोटबुक. तो जब आप उसको बाद में रिव्यू करोगे ना, जब आपका एग्जाम्स आएंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा ये सारी चीजें पूरे साल मुझसे गलतियां हुई थी और ये वो क्वेश्चंस हैं पर्टिकुलरली जो कि मुझसे नहीं फर्स्ट टाइम सोल्व होते हैं. आप उसको एक बार रिव्यू करोगे, देन इट्स गोइंग टू बी ग्रेट फॉर यू. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एडवाइस दैट आई गॉट फ्रॉम माय सीनियर्स एंड आई एम गिविंग इट टू यू. Also a very good trick to learn the formulas very fast, it's going to be you can write the formulas on sticky notes and paste it on your wall in front of your study table. जो आपकी study table के साथ में wall होती है उस पे आप sticky notes लगा के रख सकते हैं. And when you are reviewing it every day again and again, it gets into your memory, so that's how it works. So I think आपको ऐसा करना चाहिए. एंड जब आप उसको बार बार देखते हैं तब भी आपको फॉर्मूले लर्न हो जाते हैं. सच आपको कोई एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट्स भी नहीं करना पड़ता. एंड लास्ट एंड फाइनल टिप फॉर मैथ्स इज गोइंग टू बी सैम्पल प्रैक्टिस पेपर. आपको सैम्पल पेपर ट्राई करना पड़ेगा, उसके बिना आपको नहीं पता चलेगा आपको कितना मैथ्स आता है कितना नहीं आता है, हाउ यू आर एबल टू डू इट और नॉट. और सीबीएसई ने भी ऑफिशियल सैम्पल पेपर रिलीज कर दिया है, सो चेक इट आउट ऑल्सो. You will get to know कि आपको कितना आता है कितना नहीं आता है and how the questions are being framed. बट अगर हम बात करें सैम्पल पेपर कब प्रैक्टिस करना है, तो आफ्टर यू कंप्लीट योर सिलेबस, सो then you will be going for the sample paper. Right now it's time to do your syllabus through NCERT and a question bank. That's all. And the last and final tip, the bonus tip that I would like to give for your maths examination, that limit your resources. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स कहते हैं मैथ्स इट्स ऑल अबाउट प्रैक्टिस, जितना बुक पढ़ोगे उतना बेटर होगा, ये बुक आरएस भी करो, आरडी भी करो, ये बुक भी करो, ये क्वेश्चन बैंक भी करो. दैट इज नॉट द थिंग. लिमिट योर रिसोर्सेज, स्टिक टू देम एंड रिवाइज देम मल्टीपल टाइम्स. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द ओनली की दैट यू नीड. अगर आप 2 बुक कर रहे हैं, एनसीईआरटी कर रहे हैं, आप स्टैंडर्ड बुक कर रहे हैं, तो अगर आप उसको मल्टीपल रिविजन करोगे तो एटलीस्ट वो क्वेश्चन तो आपके जहन में बैठ जाएंगे. दैट इज गोइंग टू बी द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन एवर डू. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you really did, then make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video and share this video with your friends so that you can help them too. And yeah, that's all. If you have any freaking doubt, feel free to ask your doubts in the comment section and I will be replying to that. And yeah, I'll meet you next time with a new and a great. Bye bye.